People say the love of money is the root of all evil, but at the same time, money plays a huge role in our happiness, right? Money influences our lifestyle, our social status, and most importantly, the quality of life you will live while you're here. In this video, I intend to break down how to approach money the right way, from picking a day job to creating multiple streams of income, and most importantly, how to manage your cost effectively. So we're done with the running BTS. Now we're at the gym, setting up. Honestly, I've done like 9K in running and I've had no food today and I'm still gonna train today. So honestly, very grateful for the opportunity. Like, it's not a big deal, but it is a big deal because, yeah, it just is. So this gym is quite cool as well. It's a private gym, so it's just us literally in here. Part 2 of the shoot, or part 3. What was this? Is this part 3, part 4?
So, rap people.
This is the main man. If you remember when I competed 2023, he's one of.
2023?
Yeah, because you recorded both sessions, right? Because I did 2 sessions with you.
Yeah.
We did 2 in Bodyworks. Yeah.
Time flies.
Yeah, so. That was such a surreal experience. Being a model, having people record me, just go back home and, I'm kidding, right? This is probably like a week and a bit later. While editing the video, I needed a way to kind of break up the video because the next clips would be a crazy back workout. And I just worked out for like the last 3 minutes, right? So I'm here pretending like I recorded this right after that, but it's 2 weeks later. So don't believe anything you see on social media. YouTubers, Instagrammers, TikTokers, we are all lying to you. It's all a facade. Always think with your own mind and make your own decision. Is Emeka actually working at a bank? Who knows? You don't know. Well, some of you know, but you watching this might not know. So again, I am not a saint. You're not a sinner. Saint and sinner. You know what I'm saying? Cue the back workout.
Some of you are holding on to some real good memories that are no longer current memories. And you need to let them go so that you can get what's next.
Back from the gymnasium and my body really hurt. I could barely train back. And I did more or less train back yesterday during the shoot. I've come up with the topic for this video, post recording the video. And that's how it works for me. But the topic of this video is finances. Very vague, but I've probably tried to make it about streams of income. How do you pick or how do you develop multiple streams of income? The word streams of income is misleading because most people watching this will have one main stream of income and sub streams of income that probably make up 10% of your total income, right? How I would love to think about money is my main stream of income would be my job. And I'll pick a job for the money first. I don't care about the balance. I don't care about any other sort of benefit if it's close to a coffee shop, how much is that job going to pay me? That's all I care about when picking my main stream of income. Now, how do you develop a second stream of income? Hopefully, if your parents liked you or loved you, I would say, growing up you had hobbies, and hopefully you went to a good school where you discovered that you have some talent in something, or hopefully you went to jail and came out jacked. But your second stream of income, to make it somewhat seamless, could be something you have a talent in or something you're good at, right? There's no point going to university to study finance and you're good at music and then you try and pursue music as your main stream of income. Doesn't make sense, because 9 out of 10 people will fail at making music their career. Ignore Lil Baby and Lil Durk. I think they're both in prison right now, but you get the point, right? Study finance, find a job at an investment bank, do music in your spare time, and do gigs Saturday, Sunday, Friday night. That's how it should work. I work in investment banking. I love fitness, making videos. That is my second stream of income. Yesterday, I did a shoot with a brand. That was a stream of income based on what? Based on the fact that I look good-ish and I train, right? Main stream of income, get into your brain, should be the job that pays you the most, even if you hate the job. Now, with your other streams of income, that could be jobs you kind of like, right? It might not pay you a lot, but it's something you're kind of interested in. And again, streams of income sort of give this connotation that they're all passive, right? Yesterday, I did 14K steps, mostly running, and I lifted weights, right? There was nothing passive about that stream of income. But the amount they're going to pay me to do it made sense to me. And that's what matters. But it's Saturday. Weather is finally looking good. Goal today is to visit my wife's grandmom, have lunch with her, and then we'll probably go into London. And we also have a friend's birthday this evening. So enjoy the ride, stay the course, stay blessed, have a good day. I'll see you guys. I don't know, is it weird to record that long? I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you guys when I see you, as always. Of course.
If you got this far. If you got this far, comment pink. If you got this far, comment turkey. Guys, what do you think Emeka eats more out? Chicken, turkey, or beef?
Chicken.
Or like, no, let's do a poll.
Oh.
Let's see if Emeka can edit this. So we're gonna put a poll on the screen right now. Chicken, turkey, egg, and beef. And then we'll see what vote. But no, we actually won't get the votes in. So what am I saying? How are you gonna edit it?
And a lot of them don't earn a lot of money from these music videos.
Babe, what wine do you want? White or
Who said I want wine? I want Shari.
Your how much money you have. You participate in my own work.
It's halftime, not surprising, but United is losing. Who is actually surprised at this point? The club finished 16th last year, 17th, 18th. What's the difference, right? But no, good gym session. It's raining, so I'm stuck indoors. I want to go for a walk, but probably after United game. This video, I'm trying to talk about finances in general. I think I've touched on streams of income and picking a job, but obviously what determines how much money you have left is your income and your costs, right? Let's talk about costs. I'm going to narrow it down this way. Assuming you're not spending money on random shit like taking girls out for extravagant dinners and the latest Gucci sneakers, there's no time or there's no need to waste time obsessing over all your costs, right? If you cut out the coffee you have every day, that is not going to change your net worth. Let's do the math, right? If every day I spend £5 on coffee, let's assume it's 300 days in a year. It's not, but let's assume it's that. That is £1,500, right? That is not changing your situation in life. And if it is, then stop watching this video and go seek some sort of financial assistance. Spend your time trying to find how you can make money from different streams of income. Also, I would say try and reduce your fixed costs, right? There's no need for you to try and live in an expensive 2-bed in Canary Wharf if you cannot afford it. And how do you know what you can afford? There's different videos I'll tell you the different rent rules. Basically for me, my rent, my mortgage in this case, is not more than 50% of my income, right? And my mortgage is around £1,900. Also, my car payment is £500, both monthly and insurance, right? So together, mortgage £1,900, car payments £500, that's £2,400. That is still not up to half of my income, right? So, and those are my biggest costs, if you like. So again, don't give into lifestyle inflation. For me, even though my salary is going to increase next year, obviously my mortgage is 2-year fixed. That's going to stay the same. Next year, my lease on the car expires and I can afford to get whatever car I want. G-Wagon, Range Rover, I can do it, but there's no point, right? I'd rather spend my money trying to accumulate assets. So even when I can decide to get something better, what's really the point, right? Who am I really trying to impress? No one. No one gives a heck because at the end of the day, no one really knows if you own that G-Wagon or you just rented it out for the day to flex or it's your dad's, right? So get yourself a car that can get from A to B. When you can afford comfortably a Bentley or Rolls Royce or a Urus, then go buy that shit, right? But there's no point trying to do fake luxury with a Mercedes, right? So next year when I can get a new car, I'll just get a new Toyota or a Mercedes electric that, as long as the monthly payment is under £500, I will get it. And that is a hard benchmark for myself. The match is back on, halftime is over, so I'll catch you guys later again. Off to work. Hope this is a good day. Done with work, walking back home. Time is what? It's just around 8 o'clock. Have dinner and then log back in. Fun life I live, right?
You want to make 6 figures, you can't just be talking about you want to make 6 figures. You hear what I'm saying to you tonight? If you do the 3 things I tell you to do tonight, I guarantee you, whatever it is you want to do in life, you'll be able to do. You will be able to accomplish whatever you want to academically, financially, relationally, whatever. So 3 things. All right, I'm gonna tell you the story. I gotta get out of here. And the story is about, you guys have probably heard about this before. It was a young man who, he wanted to make a lot of money, and so he went to this guru, right? He told the guru, I want to be on the same level you on. And so the guru said, if you want to be on the same level I'm on, I'll meet you tomorrow at the beach at 4 a.m. He like, the beach? I said, I want to make money. I don't want to swim. Guru said, if you want to make money, I'll meet you tomorrow, 4 a.m. So the young man got there at 4 a.m. He all ready to rock and roll, got on the suit, should have worn shorts. The old man grabs his hand and said, how bad do you want to be successful? He said, real bad. He said, walk on out in the water. So he walks out into the water. Watch this. When he walks out into the water, it goes waist deep. So he like, this guy crazy. Adrian, he's like, I want to make money. He got me out here swimming. I didn't ask to be a lifeguard.
Friday, on the way to work. Can't wait for this day to be over. Had a lot of long nights this week, but it's the end of the week. 2 days break, and we're back to work again. Do not grow up, ever. Before I even start talking, like the video, subscribe. What other channel can you get such amazing content? I can think of probably 100, but that's not the point. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share to your friends. And I'm back from work. Work was good. What makes work good or bad? I can't really tell you. But I'm back, about to have dinner and then do some work. I'm in my garden, which is nice to say. Nice, big garden, which you can achieve if you subscribe to my, You can achieve this garden if you buy my course on how, But we've talked about finances this entire video, kinda, in this vlog, right? I've tried to make the vlogs a bit topical and not just about me flexing in the posing room at Phoenix Gym. Finances, how to make money, how to get rich, what does it all boil down to? As men, what we really want to achieve is to have enough money at the end of the month to take a girl, which we probably shouldn't, to Novikov and to Sushi Samba and waste our money. No. Not me, of course, I'm married. But for you guys watching this, finances boils down to income and costs, right? If you take anything away from this video, is honestly, it all comes down to you need to earn more money. You're not making enough effing money. You can't budget yourself out of poverty. It can't happen. It doesn't happen. Go make more money. There's no excuse for it. I should be making more money. You should be making more money. Billionaires are trying to make more money. Your issues in life boils down to money most of the time. Don't watch the podcast of the millionaires telling you money isn't everything. I probably tried to intro this video with some quotes about money. Money is the root of all evil. Sure, get the money first. Let's find out if I turn evil. Let me get the money first. But again, it's getting darker. This is just 7 p.m, kind of dark. There will always be the talk of monk mode. Like, for this next 3 months in winter, really focus on trying to make money, right? Really go away, F the social events for now, and try and make more money. My plan as well, from September to December, is also to try and make more money. And this is a call to action for you watching this video. You can always give an excuse. And in your mind, and in some people's minds, you'll be justified. But end of the day, when you open your Barclays account and it's 1K inside, and you have probably 10K of stuff to pay for and you want to buy, who are you going to call? You can't call me. I won't pick your call. So, again, the truth of the matter is, you have to make more money. There's no point watching any other podcast about finances. You have to ask yourself, how can I make more money? Don't watch how to make... Ooh, that bird was close to my head, if you didn't see it. But don't waste your time obsessing over expenses. As long as you're not wasting money on girls and alcohol and clubs. if you're having normal cost and end of the month, you don't have enough money to invest, it means your income is low and it's time for a change, right? And your streams of income might not be easy. I think because of social media, YouTube, all the stuff, we assume that the second stream of income should be easy, straightforward. I'm making money in my sleep. None of these motherfuckers are making money in their sleep. Most of them are not. No, not most, right? Your second stream of income will involve a lot of effort. Get away from this idea, right? My second stream of income in this video was I was at a shoot for 6 hours, physically tired afterwards, right? It's the reality. And let no one deceive you about this reality. And as a man, no one cares. Like, people are waiting to award the winners. And people, I mean both men and women. No one cares about your struggle. People only care about who made it to the end, right? And is it fair, is it not fair? I don't care about fair or not. I'm just here to report to you guys what the truth about life is. And take some inspiration from me moving to this country now, and I won't do that. Listen, level up, like the video, subscribe. Tomorrow is back day, looking forward to it. I'm also doing a cut from now to December. Currently weighing 96 kilos. The plan is to be 90 kilos by December. Why? Why not? I love a challenge, right? So like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'll see you in the next one.